Merchants are expecting record sales this weekend during the North Florida Gun Show. Promoters have even cut a lot of advertising, saying the recent gun control debate has put a huge spotlight on the firearms industry. Channel 4's Crystal Moyer was at the Jacksonville Fairgrounds as the gun show kicked off.
Things are really busy here at the gun show. I spoke to the director of marketing, and he says the retailers here aren't concerned about how much money they're going to make. In fact, after the comments that Obama made in the executive orders on gun control, he says they expect it to be busier than ever.
We've been pretty busy. A lot of people are anticipating a higher price or lack of availability of certain things.
Eddie Monk is in the firearms business and says business is good, especially after President Obama announced nearly 24 executive orders with a focus on background checks and increased funding for mental health services.
The people that are pro-gun are worried that they're going to lose their rights.
Right now, there are about 1.5 million active concealed weapons permits in Florida, according to the Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. Americans across the country spent nearly $6 billion on firearms last year, and sales this year are expected to increase. But there are people who say access is the problem, and there needs to be more gun control. The rise in mass shootings has some legislators pushing for tighter gun regulations, especially when it comes to private gun sales and what they consider to be loopholes in the current law.
It doesn't make sense to have laws if you're going to have loopholes that negate the laws. And what the president did is a matter of common sense. He said that if you can't walk into a Walmart if you're a convicted felon and buy a gun, why should you be able to do that anywhere else?
Gwynn agrees there should be laws and thorough background checks when it comes to gun control, but says gun shows are not to blame.
The reality is bad people are going to get guns, and they're not going to buy them cheap.
ATF officers were on site to monitor gun sales. FDLE was also petitioned to check private sellers to keep guns from falling into the wrong hands.
We don't want bad guys in here. That's why we have such a good police presence.
We've never sold a gun that a background check wasn't performed. If the customer doesn't have a concealed carry permit, we observe the 3-day waiting period.
The director of marketing says they're doing everything they can to make sure everyone has a fun and safe time here at the gun show. For more information on hours and ticketing, you can head to our website, news4jax.com. Crystal Moyer, Channel 4, the local station.